This video will show you how to log in to Desire2Learn. First, open a web page, and in the web address bar, type www.rrcc.edu and press the Enter key. This will bring you to the Red Rocks Community College web page. In this top center portion of the screen above the search bar, click on the Rock icon. This will bring you to the RRCC portal login. Enter your student number and password. If this is your first time logging in, your password will be your date of birth. If I were born on May 18th, 2018, my password would be 05182018. Once you have entered your login information, click the green Login icon. This will bring you to the student portal. In the upper left portion of the screen, click on the student icon. This will bring you to the Student tab of the portal. On the left side of your screen, under the red Course Access banner, click on the hyperlink that reads, "Click here to access your RRCC Desire2Learn courses." This will bring you to your Desire2Learn homepage where you can access all of your classes.